Today I'm working on a 2013 Audi A4, just showing you how to replace the oil separator. First thing you need to do is pull this one little hold down bolt for the coil harness. So use that screw out of the way right there. You take the coils and just unplug these and move the harness back. Just each one of these, push it down, move it back, and remove these two coils. You can usually just pull these out with your hands. You may need to use a little screwdriver, pry down on this slightly on the back side, and then push, and then pull with your other hand to get these two coils out. Those two coils out of there, you're just going to remove all the screws around the perimeter. All these, use a T30. You can get to this back one right here just by moving this harness out of the way a little bit, and you can get a shot at it. And also this one right here. So just go around. You can look at the new one for reference, figure out where they're all at, and take those all out of there. Alright, once all those screws are out of the way, you can just grab this thing, pull up on it, and you can wiggle this right out of here. So you can lift it high enough and move this back enough to unplug this where this attaches right here, the other hand, and yeah, sneak this right out. Now all you're going to want to do with this off is take this little piece here, transfer this over to your new one, clean off the sealing surface real well without knocking a bunch of dirt into your motor. Put a little bit of grease on this O-ring and put it back together the same way you found it. Tighten all those screws by hand and you should be good to go. So thanks for watching.